Hey friends, if you encounter the error "No such interface supported for Windows File Explorer", then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to re-register the ActX prxy.dll file. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Now paste this re-register command here and hit enter. This will re-register the DLL involved. The second one is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. This will fix the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.